In chapter 3, we will read from verse 1. It says, "Now the word of the Lord came to Jonah the second time." And the Hebrew word for word is dabar. They also pronounce it like davar. And it means it's a deed, it's something that happens, or most importantly, when it says the word of the Lord came to Jonah, it can also be translated to say the reality of God came to Jonah. Because God is a reality. Whatever he speaks, happen. And the amazing thing in the first verse already is this: Jonah was working in the same time frame as other prophets who were also known. The Bible, we call them minor prophets, and that is the prophets of Hosea and Amos. And God could have told Jonah, Jonah, I tried to speak to you once to go to Nineveh. You didn't go. You had your chance. It's, it's one strike and you're out. And I'm going to ask Hosea or Amos, but God doesn't work that way. And now that's the first thing that we just want to spend some time on tonight, is that this God always gives us a second chance when we mess up.